Hi, this is Mrs. Brooks. I wanted to make a video this week to show you how you can turn a piece of paper into a hand puppet. I know some of the other challenges we had to choose from this week asked you to have a sock you could glue things onto, or like you had to have a paper bag or a spoon to make your puppet. But if you have just one piece of paper, you can make a puppet. So what you see in front of you is the materials I'm going to use. I'm going to be using a glue stick. Tape would work also. I have scissors because I'm going to cut scraps of paper to make the facial features of my puppet, but you are also able to just draw them on. So if you want to have a marker or a pen, you could draw a face. I'm going to slide these things out of the way. The first thing we need to do is we're going to fold our paper to make the puppet structure. So I have turned my paper horizontally. It's going across. And if you look, my paper can go vertical with the short side at the top, or it can go horizontal, going across my space. You want it to go horizontal. Then we're going to fold the paper into thirds. So if you look, it's 1, 2, 3 spaces. We want to fold up just past halfway and then crease across the bottom. Then we use our hand to measure. So I can only fold it this way because that's how big my hand is. Use your hand to measure. Fold the top down. Then we're going to glue under this top edge to hold it together. And you can tape that down if you want, but I'm going to use glue because that's what I have today. Glue all the way across. And then fold it down. Smooth it to make it stick. Now we're going to do some more folding to turn this into the puppet's face. So this is the side that has the glue. I'm going to flip it over to the smooth side where there's no glue. And I want to fold it in half, but I'm going across this time. So I want the open edge and the open edge to meet. And the crease gets smoothed down. Then I want to do a fold at the top and a fold at the bottom. So I'm going to take my open edge at the top and fold it across to meet the crease. So open edge to the crease, fold it, and fold it. Then we're going to flip this over to the other side and do the same thing. Open edge over to the crease, hold it, and fold it. Now what you made, it looks a little bit like a zigzag or a W, looks like the letter N. But if I turn it, there is an open space at the edge where I can slide my fingers, my 4 fingers, inside. And there's an additional one at the bottom. I can slide my thumb in. And that is my puppet's mouth. Now, once you have that, it's up to you how you put your details on. I am going to use cut paper shapes and a little bit of drawing to make mine. So I want to put eyes, nose, and mouth here. I'm actually going to put a bottom lip down here. You can put hair on if you want. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. I already cut out some of my shapes. So I'm going to put a mouth on. So I'm going to have a bottom lip. And then I'm actually going to curve this one to look like lips. There's my top lip. I'm going to glue it on the top and the bottom. So here's one. Right here. And I'm going to put one on the bottom. Right here. So now my puppet has lips. that open and close. And then I'm going to put my eyes on. I actually cut out my little eye shape, so I have an iris. I have the white of the eye, the iris, and the pupil. Since I wanted it to look like a person, I made shapes that I knew from a real person's face. So I'm going to glue those on. There's the iris. Here is the pupil. Now I have to do my other eye. Here's my eye shape. And my iris. And my pupil. All right, so now I have a face. I was thinking that a nose is kind of hard to cut from paper, so I'm going to use my pen to draw my nose on. So I'm going to put the bottom edge of my nose. I'll put my nostrils on. I'm going to curve them up and over. My eyes. And I'm actually going to draw my eyebrows on too. Here's my eyebrow. Here's my other eyebrow. And then I'm ready to put on some hair. That's better. Now it looks like a face. I'm going to give my puppet turquoise hair. So she's going to have hair like this. I have a folded scrap of paper. Some people are using yarn. Some people are drawing the hair on. It's totally up to you. But I'm going to show you how I make my hair. The fold is going to be right in the middle of her head. And then I'm cutting from the open edge. So I'm cutting up. But I stop before I get to the fold. And that's going to give me long, straight hair. And then I can curl it. So my hair, if I was making myself, my hair curls under. So I can actually curl it under with my finger. Or if you wanted to swoop out, you could curl it the other way. But my hair curves under, and I'm actually making a Mrs. Brooks puppet. So I'm going to curl all of mine under. Just a little bit. You can also use, if you have a pencil, you can curl it with a pencil, like a ribbon. This way. I'm going to curl the other side. Another one. 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to glue it right at the edge, right here. So I need to put some glue on the edge of my hair, right here. And I'm going to stick it at the edge. It looks like it's going to overlap my eyebrows a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to smooth it on. And I'm going to fold mine under a little bit so that it covers up my hand when I put my hand inside. So now I have a wacky purple Mrs. Brooks with turquoise hair. And I can use my puppet. Hello, welcome to the art room. How does it look? It's pretty silly. I can use this to do my music or PE lesson. I miss you guys. I hope you're having fun making art at home, and I can't wait to see you back in the art studio. Bye!